Hello everyone. Today we're just going to go over the revised shift lever in the 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It used to have the old-fashioned 8-speed selector that was electronic. It would move back to its original position into the center. When they revised the center console for the 16s, they went with a more traditional lever. It is a completely electronic lever. It just mimics the movements of a traditional lever, but there's no actual linkage to this in the transmission. It's all electronic, but the operation is the same. It is a high quality piece. It does have a stitched faux leather boot with a leather hand grip. The sides are actually a die-cast zinc, and on this particular model they are in the Moroccan sun accent. Another unique feature is the park reverse neutral drive and the manual up and down. They actually light up blue, but the indicated gear lights up orange. And on models that have it selected, putting it into reverse does activate the park view backup camera. The nice feature is that it does stay in its position, so it does give the feel of a traditional lever. To put it into auto stick mode, just tap it over to the left. Just put it into manual mode. You can shift it manually via the lever. Down is upshift, and up is downshift. Or you can also choose to use the paddle shifters. On the left side is upshift, or on the right side, is upshift, and the left side is downshift. By placing the vehicle in sport mode, if your vehicle is so equipped, it'll change your steering feel. It'll also remap the shift schedule in automatic mode. You can notice that it has the sport mode flag on the instrument cluster. And if your vehicle is equipped with the quadra-lift air suspension, your vehicle will go into aero mode. But that is a quick overview of the revised shift lever in the new 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. As always, thanks for watching.